Hey guys, welcome back. It's Martin from Rate One Financial. Welcome back to another episode of Mortgage Mind. We're at tip and trick number 17, and this one's called Home Repairs After Escrow. Okay, so you're in escrow to buy a house. They appraise the house. The appraiser says, lo and behold, this, and this has to be repaired on the property before they'll give you a loan to buy the house. Which is a problem, right? Because you can't get the loan until those things are repaired. There are requirements based on whatever loan you're trying to get to be done. So you have an option here. You can ask the seller to do the repairs, which means that the seller would have to pay for those repairs in order for you to get your loan. And if they agree to it, great. The repairs get done, you get your loan. What often happens is the seller says, forget it, I ain't willing to pay for any of that stuff. You want a house, you want this house, you're gonna have to fix it on your own. But who's gonna pay money for repairs on a house that they don't even own yet as a potential buyer? So you're at an impasse. The seller won't do what you need for your loan, and you're not willing to shell out the money to make those repairs on a home you don't even own yet. The solution for that is, in many cases, what's called a holdback or an escrow holdback for repairs. And a lender will allow you, the lender giving you the loan, I should say, will allow you to do a holdback, which is money set aside in an escrow account after escrow closes. When you own the property after escrow closes, that money that's set aside up to $15,000, I believe, is allowed in some cases. And then you can put that money to making the repairs after you've closed escrow and own the home. And the lender will hold that money to make sure that those repairs get done within a certain period of time after escrow closes and you become legal owner of the house. This is perfect for those people that want to really buy the house, are willing to buy it, are willing to pay for the repairs that are needed that for the lender to give them the loan, where the seller's not willing to do it. So, and obviously you have to have the money to put into that escrow account to pay for those repairs. So hopefully that helps. That's called an escrow holdback for home repairs. Check it out. If you need to know more about it, give us a call. Otherwise, wish you all the best. If you like what we're doing, please like, follow, and share on social media. Have a good one.